Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one other best website. This website is just watching advertisement. You can earn your cryptocurrency. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos and more. Watch this video until end. Okay, let's get started. This is the website name is speedsatoshi. This website link available in description. This is very easy. First, log in this website. Just I log out to show you how you can log into this website. Okay, first if you came here, click register, put your name, username, email and password, and just click create account. I have already an account, just I log in my account. Okay, I log in my account. The first one you can earn from here, the Faucet. You click Faucet, you can earn from the Faucet. Okay, to type Faucet this website as. The first one is the Faucet manual. Manual means manually pay you the amount 1 BTC. Okay, the next one is randomly pay you from 1 to 10 BTC. This one is another base website. This much BTC you can earn randomly. If you click, 90% people claim 0 BTC. Okay, and the next one is bonus. If you claim much more Faucet, and you can claim much more randomly Faucet and manually Faucet, and you can claim short links, ads. You can also make much more from here too. Okay, they pay you this much BTC every time you can claim. Okay, and for now is 10 BTC for claim. Next one is 20 every day. This one is going half. Okay, the next one is game. You can play game and you can earn. Okay, 6 game available in this website, and you can play all of these games and you can earn much more. The next one is short links. You can visit short links and you can earn much more from the short links. Okay, this is all available short links to this website. This is a lot of short links you can claim. Okay, you can see this is all available short links, and every 24 hours this will be receipt. And the next one is watching ads. Just watch ads and you can earn. The watching ads is very low seconds app. Okay, you can see 10 seconds 6 BTC, and this is all available ads to this website. This website pay you very high payment. Okay, very high payment, and you can also claim it. Okay, and the next one is mine. The mine is not very good, because I tell you one thing: don't invest your time in the mining. Okay, because this one take time, but don't pay you much more. If you download the miner, you can click and you can download the miner. Okay, the next one is the offer wall. Offer wall, you complete offers and you can earn. Okay, the offer wall is another best way you can earn much more from this website. Okay, this is all available offers, and all available offers you can complete, and you can, and just watching ads and game, just install the game, reach the level, and you can claim your BTC. Okay, this is very easy. If you download this ads and reach to level 35, you can claim this much BTC. Okay, this is very easy. If you complete these offers and complete these games, you can earn much more. If you download this ads, they pay you very high payment, and you can reach to level 11. You can claim your Satoshi. Okay, and this is very high payment website. And the next one is the referral. If you have people to come to join this website, just click referral. You can copy your referral link to share with your friends. Those will be come join, pay you 50% of the commission. Okay, and this is all about this website. You can earn, and this is your referral link. And thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and this website link available in description. And bye bye for now.